Welcome. This is Algebra 2. This is the Chapter 5 review, and here we're doing exercise number 25. In this case, we know that a number, in this case 4, is a 0 of this cubic function, and we need all the zeros. So, that's our goal. Since the function is cubic, we need some help dividing it down, factoring it down into a smaller version. And since we know that 4 is a 0, we're in business. We can do synthetic division with 4. So, the coefficients are 2, 3, negative 39, and negative 20. Well, that's great. We'll go ahead and use those numbers. Let's do it. The 2 drops down. Boom. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 goes up. 3 plus 8 is 11. Boom. 11 times 4 is 44. 44 goes up. Negative 39 plus 44, that's 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 goes up. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0, and that's what we needed to see, because that means that g of x, the polynomial function given to us, can be rewritten as x minus 4. Right, that comes from the fact that the 4 worked, times 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. Well, that's just wonderful. Now we need to finish. We have a quadratic we're working with. Probably just easiest to use the quadratic formula. Maybe you see how to factor this right away. Maybe you don't. Me, when there's a leading coefficient, like a 2 in front of that x squared, I don't even bother. I just use the quadratic formula. X equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Well, we're making progress here. X equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared is 121. 4 times 2 is 8 times 5 is 40. All over 4. Okay, well, so x equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 81 over 4. Okay, now I feel silly, because square root of 81 is a nice number, and that means if I had been slightly less lazy, I could have factored it. But you know, I wasn't seeing it at the time. So it's negative 11 plus or minus 9 over 4. That breaks up into two versions, right? We're talking about x equals negative 11 plus 9 over 4, and that's negative 1/2. And the other version is negative 11 minus 9 over 4, and that is negative 5. Okay, we are doing well here. We have g of x equals x minus 4. We have that negative 1/2. That's really 2x plus 1. Oh, shoot, I'm running out of room. Sorry, folks. And then x plus 5. But you know what? The question didn't actually ask us to factor it. The question asked us for the zeros. All right, 4, negative 1/2, negative 5. We're done. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Thank you for watching.